Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. I hope you all have a wonderful day today and that you're ready to begin working on life skills. So today's life skills topic is washing dishes. I want to know, have any of you all ever washed dishes? Or have helped your parents or guardians wash dishes? You have? Oh wow, that is amazing. For those of you who have washed dishes before, you all know a little bit on washing dishes. But if you have not, that is totally okay because today we are going to learn about washing dishes. So first, we are going to read a story on washing the dishes. Some people have jobs that require them to wash the dishes. I can wash the dishes. First, I need to plug the sink and fill it with water. Then, add soap to the water. Wash the dishes using a cloth or a sponge. After washing the dish, rinse it and put it in the dish strainer. Then you can dry the dishes with a towel. When the dishes are dry, you can put them away in the cupboards. Some people have a dishwasher to wash the dishes. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now we're going to watch a short video on how to wash the dishes.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Christine here. Today I'm going to teach you how to wash the dishes. Alright, so the first step is you're going to want to plug up your sink. Next, I'm going to turn the warm water on. We're going to keep this running until it's about half full. Going to turn off our water. It's about halfway full. Next, we're just going to squeeze some dish soap in there. Okay? And then our next step is to just put the dirty dishes in the sink. Let them soak for a little bit. Give this about 30 seconds. Your dishes are done soaking, you're going to go ahead and take your sponge. I'm just going to go ahead and scrub and wash the dishes. Make sure you get both sides of the bowl. Next, you are going to turn your water back on. Rinse. After that, you're going to want to dry your dish. And finally, your last step, if you had a drying rack, you would just go ahead and place it there to dry. But for right now, I am just going to lay out my dish on my dish towel and let it dry. Hi everyone, it's Miss Christine.
Awesome job, boys and girls. So now that we have read and watched a video on washing dishes, we're just going to go over the steps we went over today. So, first, we put water in the sink and add soap. Step number 2, we wash the dishes. Step number 3, we rinse the dishes. Step 4, dry the dishes. And then step number 5, we put the dishes away. And that is on washing the dishes. So awesome job today, boys and girls. You all did amazing. Do not forget to go over this on Tuesday, because on Wednesday we will have an assignment on everything we went over today on washing the dishes. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Bye, boys and girls.